going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious baked salmon recipe. It's going to be covered in a creamy white wine sauce. Stay tuned. So here I have my ingredients, guys. I have some bell peppers, 1 tomato, some thyme, onion, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper. I have my complete seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, some jerk seasoning, heavy cream, white wine, olive oil, and my salmon. So we're going to start this recipe off, guys, by drizzling a little bit of oil. Just like that. Then we're going to rub it in. And this is going to allow our seasoning to soak right in, guys. Put them over. Give it a nice little rub again. Just like that. All right. So now we're just going to add some complete seasoning. Sprinkle it just like that. Or all-purpose seasoning. Nice little amount. Just pat it down a little bit. Flip them over again. And repeat the same step. Complete seasoning. And then all-purpose seasoning. And I'll make sure to leave the correct measurement in the description of the video, guys. And now we're just going to add a little bit of jerk sauce to it, jerk seasoning. And then we're going to rub it in. So this is going to have a nice little jerk flavor to it, a little spice, not too much. If you're not a fan of the spice, guys, you can always adjust, the amount. Rub it up. Just like that again. Massage everything in. Nice and proper. Alright, so now we're just going to place this on a baking sheet, guys, and bake it for about 12 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. At this point, guys, you want to drizzle a little bit more oil, not too much. As you can see, this is a non-stick, baking tray. But I always like to add my oil or a little bit of butter, just to be safe, be on the safe side. Alright, so now we're just going to place our salmon skin side down, face side up. Just like that. And then we're going to add a little bit of white wine on top, just to, help it to steam a little bit. Just a drizzle. So we're going to add about a half a cup of white wine, guys. Like I said, it's going to allow our salmon to steam right through and be nice and juicy in the end. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're going to add a little drizzle of olive oil. And then we're going to add our fresh herbs that we chopped earlier. Mix it up a little bit. And once everything becomes a little bit caramelized, we're going to deglaze the pan with some white wine. And then we're going to add our heavy cream and reduce that, all those ingredients together. Once the cream becomes thick, nice and thick, then we're just going to pour it on top of our salmon that we baked earlier. Stir it up. Time to add my heavy cream. Just give it a nice little stir again. We're going to bring this to a boil, and then it should become nice and thick. Then we'll pour it on top of the fish. Yes, guys, so our sauce is nice and thick, creamy. All right, so we're just going to pour it on top of the fish, and we should be good. Yes, guys, time for the taste test. Ooh. Mmm. This is good. You know, it's so juicy on the inside, guys. You know, juicy all over. You know, the sauce, the creamy sauce and everything, the seasoning together. Perfect combination, guys. Mmm. Yes, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.